Let's take a look at one homework question for you. This question says, y is equal to -1/2 times x plus 4, and I ask you to find the slope, find x-intercept, find y-intercept, and I'm going to ask you for extra practice to find equation of a line parallel to the line above passing 1 and 1. So let us start. What is the slope? Always remember the definition. The formula says y is mx plus b, and the number, single number, multiplied by x is the slope. This is your slope. So we're looking for the single number attached to x by multiplication. This is the number that you're looking for. This is the fraction. So slope for m, it is equal to -1/2. Since it's a negative number, we expect the line to be a decreasing line. Since m is less than 0, m is negative, so we have a decreasing line. So what is x-intercept? First of all, x-intercept is the point that the graph hits x-axis, or the point of intersection with x-axis. As you remember, to find x-intercept, set y equal to 0 and solve for your x. My y is 0. On the other side, I have -1/2 times x plus 4. We're going to subtract 4 from both sides. -1/2 times x is equal to -4. You can multiply both sides by negative sign and you get 1/2 times x equals to 4. To get rid of 2, multiply by 2. So 2 times 1/2 x is equal to 2 times 4. 2 and 2, they get canceled out. 1x is 8. We don't expect to see 1 in front of x. We have to simplify. So x becomes 8. What's the meaning of that? It means that my x-intercept as a point has first coordinate 8 and second coordinate 0. This is our x-intercept, the point of intersection. So you need to write down your x-intercept as 0, 8, and 0. What about the y-intercept? Y-intercept is the point of intersection with y-axis. So what are you going to do? You're going to set x equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, your y becomes -1/2 times 0 plus 4. But any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So y becomes 4. You're going to say that, hey, my y-intercept as a point has first coordinate 0 and second coordinate 4. Now, this part of the question as a practice. Find the equation of a line that is parallel to the line above, and it passes through point 1 and 1. I'm going to say that, hey, since lines are parallel to each other, since we have parallel lines, M1 is equal to M2. Slopes are the same, but what is the slope of the line? -1/2. So equation of the line is written as y equals to -1/2 times x plus, well, what is the y-intercept? I have no idea. I need to find the value for my y-intercept, b. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use the rest of the information given to me. The point that is on this line. It says, hey, my y is 1. I have -1/2 as the slope. My x is 1 plus b. Okay, this is just algebra. 1 is equal to -1/2 plus b. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1/2 to both sides. So 1 plus 1/2 is equal to, these two are opposite of each other. They are 0, b. So this is 2/2 plus 1/2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So b is equal to 3/2. So equation of the line is negative y equals to -1/2 x plus 3/2.